Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve Telegram email problem. If you're experiencing issue with email on in Telegram, such as receiving emails or having trouble with email notifications, you can try the following troubleshoots and fix the problem. First, you need to tap on the can't access the email after you type down your number, and tap on the reset login email as well, and tap on the allow, and simply tap on the arrow option. And what you have to do is tap on the allow, or you could also prefer don't allow. And you have to go to the mail and check your mail. As we could see, just sent me a mail of the Telegram code. And if it's still having a troubleshoot problem, then you could try updating a Telegram app. Go back, go to the Play Store, and on the top search icon, tap there and look out for the Telegram app and open it. And make sure you are using the latest version of the Telegram app. Check your App Store or Play Store for updates and install them if available. Also check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and that connection is stable. Email notifications require an active internet connection to be received as well. And if none of the above steps work, you can contact Telegram support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the email problem you are experiencing, and they may be able to help you troubleshoot the issue. And by following the steps, you should be able to resolve most email related issue with Telegram. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.